Hello everyone. I'm going to continue this Excel file. Is need cash flow forecast. And this cash flow forecast is okay. Let's say we have input the value 20 millions. Now we break down for year 0 to year 5, and then we are going to input the value. Let's say the selling price is 90 per unit, and then demand is 72K. So we get the sales revenues is 6 millions, and then we going to drag the figures, but because we want to drag the figures and we don't want to running the formula, so we will input the dollar sign. Now we can drag this value. Assume that this value is like flat. Okay. And then we're going to input the purchase. So purchase 72. The raw material is 25. Now we need to drag. So we need to input the dollar sign. We drag the value for labor cost 190. Here immediate is per month 90K. So we need to input 12 month, and because we need to track the figure, so we input the dollar sign. Utility similar 20 input. Selling in distribution only 1% of sales revenue. Now we get the sales and distributions overhead is from the revenue. The question is provided is 1% from the sales and revenues. Okay, we need to know the interest expenses. On the question, we know the machine cost is 20 million. and the useful life is 10 years. So we get the depreciation is 2 million. And we know the debt is 800. Okay, so from the question, so we are going to know with this Excel input, we're going to know the net cash flow from the first year is positive cash parent 28. Year 2 is 38. Year 3 is 48. And year 4 is 57. Year 5 is 67. From this Excel input and analysis, we know this project net cash flow in every year is positive. Thanks.